During the summer, Daikin carried out a complex project involving the replacement of chillers for Zentiva as part of the all-in-one program. We'll take you through the process, which took place during a week-long planned shutdown of the cooling system. However, the final replacement of the chillers was preceded by several months spent preparing this entire turnkey solution. First of all, we worked together with the customer to analyze the existing system, its strengths and weaknesses, and any problems that needed resolving. We designed a technical solution for the new system, which included selecting reliable and proven suppliers. The Daikin project team coordinated all the preparation and delivery of the individual parts for the entire duration of the project. We then gradually disconnected the existing equipment from the hydraulic, electrical, and mechanical systems and arranged for them to be disposed of, including the mandatory documentation. We also had the used refrigerant recovered and regenerated for further use. The equipment was then replaced. We used a crane to lift it, then transported it to the designated place. There, we disassembled the equipment to enable it to be moved to the roof of the building, where it was reassembled. We had to use heavy lifting equipment to handle the chillers. We then prepared the new chillers for operation. We adjusted the hydraulics, fittings, pumps, insulation, electrical supply, and switchboard. We upgraded the hardware to communicate with the BMS system. As part of the startup process, we programmed the system for building management purposes and put the equipment into operation. The system parameters were fine-tuned after measuring and balancing the water flows. After the entire project had been handed over to Zentiva, we confirmed the warranty on the project and started a maintenance program. The Daikin all-in-one turnkey chiller replacement project offers both commercial and technical advantages for the customer. The entire project is implemented on a contractual basis, and the warranty is provided by just one supplier, the chiller manufacturer. Daikin also guarantees everything from the preparation of the project and the documentation through to the actual installation, commissioning, and follow-up servicing. It also provides remote monitoring and permanent technical support. Daikin is an active player on the all-in-one projects market, not only with chillers, but also with VRV systems. With these systems, Daikin is also able to provide its customers with the complete range of services for new projects as well as when replacing existing systems.